Hello friends! I invite you in to sit down and have a cup of hot cocoa with me. Today we're going to be doing some planning, cleaning, and organizing. I can't wait to get started. Today's going to be a short video to give you a quick burst of inspiration. Now I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but lately my life has been very hectic. I have a new book coming out at the end of February, and so my schedule is jam-packed with editing. I haven't had much time to make videos, but I plan on getting back to it consistently soon. This morning, I'm going to start out my day by doing some planning. I try to start every day with some scripting. Scripting is when you imagine your day and plan out how you want it to go. I write in my journal everything that I want to get done that day, how I want to feel, and imagine it happening the way that I think it should. This gets me in a good mood for the day and helps me start out with a blank slate. Right now, I'm scripting that I am going to do this video, and then I am going to work on finishing editing the rest of my book. I'm also planning out my meals and what I want to do for leisure time. This helps me keep an idea of everything that I want and need to get done. Once I finish writing out everything that I want to do, I recite it out loud to myself. The verbal confirmation helps me to get back on track for the day. Once I'm done with my journal and scripting, I flip over to my planner and make sure I'm not missing anything. I write out every task that I need to do for the day and keep my planner handy so I can check off items as I go. I usually take my planner with me and keep it in my purse. When you're running your own business alongside running a household, you have to make sure you have an organized system to get everything done. If I didn't have my planner, I don't know where I'd be. This week I have so much to do. Alongside editing and doing videos, I'm going to have to work on my taxes, as well as picking up some things that we need for the household. There wasn't really much cleaning that had to be done. We had a Super Bowl party last night, and I cleaned up after that party was over with. But the house still needs a little bit of freshening up, so I'll pick it up now. I skipped wiping the tables down because I just did that last night, so I'll just clean off the couches. If you notice on my coffee table, I have a new little puzzle board in order to contain my puzzles as I work on them while watching TV. This is a great way to keep your puzzles organized while also making sure that you don't lose any little pieces. I think it looks really trendy too. Now this is something that has been needed to be done forever. My fiance asked me to clean out the Tupperware drawer, and after so many Tupperware went everywhere last night while we were trying to put food away from our Super Bowl party, I definitely agreed that something needed to be done. The only way to do this effectively was to take out all the Tupperware and then reorganize it before putting it back in, which you'll see that I'm doing here. Honestly, this didn't take as long as I hoped, and I wondered why I'd been putting it off in the first place. Now it's a clean, effective space that won't stress me out every time I open the drawer. If there's something that you've been putting off, this is my encouragement to you to go out and do it, because you'll feel so much better once it's finished. My Tupperware drawer looks so much better, and I am so proud of myself for committing to this project. Now all there's left to do is sit down with a good book and a cup of tea. And give Copper some Super Bowl cookies. Looks like Freya is in the background trying to steal. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see you all next time.